But if I can bring you up easily, that's not good. Oh, the yellow trees. Look at these. They're pretty. Alright, we're going this way. I think this is where the coyotes are. That's coyote poop right there for sure. There's the monument over there. Flower joint tender. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's the ball. Wait. The ball. Okay, back to here. Okay. You guys remember the ball? I think the ball is the big exhibit here actually right now. Besides the roses. Okay, did some of you guys not see the ball yet? You guys want to see it while we're right here? Oh yeah, you weren't. You're not here for the ball? I thought you were here for the ball, Victoria. So I know, but I mean, besides seeing like random stuff, I know there's like one more exhibit. There's the rose garden that's in bloom. Oh my God, what does that smell? Something smells so good. Probably this tree right here. Oh my goodness. That is fantastic. Freshia, sapphire dragon tree is what this one's called. Thank you, Victoria. Thank you for trying to scare me. You can't scare me. I'm not scared of nothing here. It's not super quiet and creepy a little bit. Not even close. What a great place to exercise. Like I said, this tram trail, it's got varying elevation. It's probably a set distance, right? A nice little place. We're gonna come here more often. If you guys had fun, you guys have fun today? I feel like you guys are having fun. It's really chill and relax. We'll come back for sure. I scared you earlier. You did scare me earlier. Paper bark. That's what this one's called. This one's from Eastern Australia. This tree right here. Paper bark. Oh, the bark definitely looks like paper. Now a verse from our collective tale. In Bartok's garden, chat blooms with cheer. Allergy shots and screenshots. The crew draws near. Tim punches popcorn. Tim punches popcorn. Bits plays tune so sweet. Oh my goodness. Frozen Star shares jokes. Tulips ready to bloom. Pirate's life for Mark. That's fun. Oh my goodness. With every blurb and laugh, this stream's heart beats in this botanical haven where chat never retreats. I literally want to bring my book and find a spot. Yeah, it's so pretty. And I'm sure it changes. Yep, and they change stuff here living in a bundle. They'll change these exhibits out as well. And like the rose garden will die and they'll put something else in the rose garden and stuff, so. How do trees get on the internet? They log on.